Hi guys, so today I'm working on a Chevy Cruze. It's a Chevrolet Cruze, sorry. It's the Ecotec 1.4 liter, the turbo model. So today I'm replacing the injector. As you can see, those are the brand new one because it was leaking inside the valley of the engine. So usually GM say that you need a special tool to remove the fuel rail, but I'm gonna show you how I did it without the special tool. So first thing first, when you open the hood, like, you're gonna have this trim to remove, so you have to undo the engine oil cap to remove it. And you also have like a T-25 at Torx, or you can use Allen key or whatever you have to work your way out with that. So second things when you get there is the coil. The spark plug coils are like that, so you have a bolt on each one. There's 4, as you can see. After removing this, those are the bolts for the coils. They are 10 millimeter. So after doing that, you have like 8 bolts to undo. Just try to put it back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Do not undo the Allen key bolt, because those are for the future, like when you remove the injector, because if you undo that, you're gonna have some problem. So after that, how I removed the rail, I took a pry bar, and watch out because there's a wire under the rail. I'm just gonna show you. Under the rail there's a wire, so just be careful to not break the wire while prying with the pry bar. So what I did, I just took the pry bar, pass it between the harness and the rail, where the hole of the bolt go. I just pry it like that for the first one. After I did the same thing between the wire and the fuel rail, and I went on the second hole. I pry it like that. Second injector was out, and again with this third hole I did this, and the last one I went on the last hole and pried like that, and also went like that to help me. I disconnect this connector because it's the fuel injection connector, because you have to undo this connector all if you don't undo this one. That's pretty much it. After you have the rail in your hands, so you just have to undo the Allen key. There's 2 on each one, so you just have to undo those. Replace the fuel injector, put it back together, and everything gonna be fine. No leak, because there was a leak inside the valley, like I told you. So that's pretty much it for this fix, guys. I know there's not a lot of video on Chevy Cruze from this year, so I'll try to post some more on each job that I'm doing. I also have a crank pulley or harmonic balancer seal to do, because it's leaking badly. So I don't know if you can see, I don't think so, but I might try to make another video, because I need a special tool, because the pulley don't want to go out. So I'll try to make another video, guys. So after you install in reverse, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day, and subscribe.